Can we do without all this junk when we build a house?
Pets are brilliant! Now, some glue. This is where my assistant steps in.
On it!
Any chance you could build something for me?
A house made of trash doesn't make any sense. Hey!
Or else I'll be sleeping on you.
Okay. Are you happy now?
What house color should we go for? Good thinking. Not yet.
Hey, what color will my house be?
Can't tell. I don't really care.
Nothing fits.
Any chance a snack makes my mood better? It doesn't. Actually, that's a decent thought.
I hope this works.
Perfect choice!
For you, I wouldn't have more.
Voila!
It's clearly missing something.
Oh, that's perfect. Thoughts?
Fresh.
Some patterns are always a good idea.
Gosh, you have a knack for it.
And meanwhile, comment some blue stuff we could add here.
May I have a piece?
Unfortunately, snacks for dogs feel like poison. That'll make a great decoration for our house. I absolutely love it. Would you like to have a penthouse?
It's my biggest dream!
Let me take over. Let's spice it up. Comment your favorite snacks down below. We might add them.
Looks like I'm a little dirty.
What do you suggest I do about it?
Wash me. I have paws.
No way. Oh, really?
I'm dirty. Wash me.
I hope this is it. Promise me to behave.
No, not water.
Keep in mind, cats plus water equals fiasco.
What about spa treatments?
Sounds fun!
We'll be brushing every single day.
Stop! You were going to wash, didn't you?
I'm not touching water ever again.
Any chances there are ways to wash with no water involved? So, you've got options? Oh, thanks. Comment more options down below. I'll be trying them out for now. It's dry shampoo.
Okay, worth a shot.
So,
Way better than water.
what about this?
Look at this cutie pie princess.
I wish it was over at this point.
Sorry, the moment I heard wet, I couldn't control myself. All right, not half bad.
Phew. I'm gonna clean up everything.
Gosh, it smells like cake. How do you wash your pets? By yourselves, or do you get it done?
I think you should have it dry.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, guys. I would never do it without you.
The way I see it, you deserve a nice snack. Where did it go?
Sorry, I was starving!
Dogs can't have human food. Luckily, they can have some of this. Let's check it out. Ew, broccoli. Why would someone eat that?
Oh, I live for broccoli.
This is the time we strike it lucky.
Yay! A lollipop!
No, no, no. You're not cut out for that. I hope it's not another snack. I might pop. There, finally. Perfect.
Hurry up! I'm famished!
Okay, let's see. Thanks.
What's with all the bowls?
Eat and you'll know. Try it.
Awesome! Mind-blowing!
Stop feeling blue. I'm hungry too, you know.
Yeah, naturally. Is that good?
Absolutely. Thanks. Where do I eat from?
Whoa, does anyone remember what that is?
Whoa, how did you pull it off?
I have no clue. That must be comfy. There will always be food. In case you're thirsty.
I figured I might starve to death. That's a great idea on your part.
Comment down below what other toys we might add here.
Help! I can't get up!
I clearly left something behind. Could you just squeeze in? Oops. Then just get up.
It's no good!
How come I didn't get it right off the bat? You do the honors.
This is unbelievable!
I appreciate you reminding me.
Very funny.
Sorry, I'm just bored.
Sorry, I have no idea how to keep you entertained. Oh, you feel like painting? Fine. A moment, guys. I'll show you a life hack.
What do I do with that?
You'll see in a second.
Yay, more food! What's next?
What do we think of the cat art?
Did I do that?
Yes. I'll keep it as a memento.
Shall we play now?
I actually have no idea how to entertain you.
Yay, trinkets! You said you didn't know. That's awesome.
Turns out it's that simple.
Pick out outfits for now.
What for?
A girl is supposed to have a lot of outfits.
Do I look good?
Stunning, right?
I've never changed so much!
Comment down below what color our baby should go for. Your casual outfits will be kept right here.
Thanks! Sorry, I missed something.
Oh dear, dogs can't be living on the floor. You'll have the most amazing sleeping spot. Be my guest.
So soft.
What about me?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Why are you hanging out in a box?
There's nothing else for me, you know.
I mean, it's not a place for sleeping.
If you say so.
Lord, what in the world does he want from me?
Pardon me, this is not your spot.
Sorry, it's all I've got.
What's going on?
Sorry, this spot is for my baby.
Okay. Come, we can find something for you. Is that a good fit for a cat? Or is a pot better after all? Or this?
Hand it over. Now is perfect.
He's finally happy. Hey, no. This is out of line.
My bad. Where am I supposed to do it?
Over here. Cats do it here.
I'm shy. All eyes are on me.
Ugh, fine. Better now?
Totally, thanks.
Jade, I'm wiped.
Oh, a moment.
can't do it anyway.
We'll figure something out. I think this can save the day.
Like that?
Try this out. Rockabye baby.
Thanks.
Jade, my cat is MIA.
Your what? Yeah, your cat is missing.
Thanks, detective. Cat. Has anyone seen a cat? Excuse me, have you seen a cat?
Sorry, I have somewhere to be.
Great. Just what I wanted. This is our turf. Buzz off.
What's going on here? I have to save him.
I had them on the ropes.
That was our dinner.
Oops, hold this. We're safe.
You won't abandon me, right?
Of course not, sweetie.
Then use this.
What is it?
Can you read or...
How to make a cat happy. It looks nice.
You don't look that nice.
Look who's talking.
Follow the instructions, miss.
What do we have here? Hygiene. Yeah, that would be nice.
It's my natural smell.
Gotta get changed.
Not bad.
Bath time.
Use this.
Dry shampoo. I'll give it a shot.
Ah, much better.
So cute.
Hey, not so rough.
Sorry, sweetie.
Now you have to brush me.
Gotta be careful with this.
I really like this. Who's gonna clean it?
I will.
You forgot the collar.
Of course.
Check the book.
We're doing a great job.
What do we have here?
Don't mess around.
Or what?
Or I'll tickle you.
Stop!
What a little troublemaker. Don't climb around in there.
But I don't have a house of my own.
Let's find you one. How do you like this?
Is that really the best you've got?
This one?
So basic.
Okay, then you don't get a house.
I like this one. Buy now. Why isn't it working?
We don't have enough money.
We need more.
I think this is all I have. I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know where to get money for the house.
Get a job. I'm gonna go play.
Easy for you to say. Ouch! Be careful.
This should be enough.
How can I forget about my piggy bank?
Let's buy the house.
Wow! Even better than in the pictures.
It could be better.
Quit being such a buzzkill.
Somebody has to take things seriously.
You're so funny when you're grumpy.
Next up, making it comfy.
Great! Gotta set up the house.
I thought it was gonna build itself.
Can you be a little more polite?
I'm just stressed.
Don't be sad, sweetie. We'll make you a hammock. There we go.
I'll help.
Almost done. Where can we hang it?
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Ta-da! Do you like it?
My paws keep falling through.
Oops, I forgot.
Much better.
He's so cute when he's not misbehaving.
Yes!
Great job!
My owner isn't the brightest.
I'll read you a bedtime story.
It better be a good one.
Once upon a time, there was a very cute kitten. Shh, he's asleep. What's going on? What are you doing? Why did you get into the popcorn?
I was hungry.
This is not cat food.
Got any better ideas?
Well, in cartoons, cats love milk.
We can only have special milk.
There we go.
Feed me, feed me.
But how?
Feed me, feed me.
Now be patient.
Excuse me, I'm starving.
Dinner's ready.
Finally. Bring me some water, too.
This is getting ridiculous. Here. Did you eat everything?
I was really hungry.
Ooh, that was bad. You shouldn't eat that much that fast.
It's okay, though.
It says here you're not allowed.
They're lying.
To keep you from eating too fast, we'll use this special feeder.
You call this a water bowl?
Yes. What's wrong with it?
I ordered something better.
That's interesting.
I'm tired.
You can relax here.
How can I get in there?
We'll make a ladder.
Wrap this around it
Why?
so I can sharpen my claws.
Good point.
How long can I be waiting for you?
Uh-huh.
Ta-da!
Not bad.
Very impressive. Ouch! What happened, sweetie?
I'm starving.
But you just ate.
My tummy forgot.
Aww.
Okay, but only a little bit.
It's fun and tasty.
Your house came together great.
You think we're done?
What's missing?
Some cat grass.
On it.
How can I help you?
I need this. Here you go, little guy.
That took forever, but thanks.
Are you happy now? Ew! What have you done?
Did you buy me a litter box?
I will. Thanks. Ready.
What about the litter?
I'm not falling for that again. You meanie. Okay, now are you happy?
I could use a little privacy.
I understood.
Hey! Hey, that doesn't count.
Okay, I'm not going anywhere. Welcome.
Much better.
Yikes! Great, that was the last thing I needed.
Try this.
Cozy? But why isn't the heart full?
Can't you see? We need lights.
That's so pretty.
Add some more details.
Yes, sir.
You know what I like. Fine, I'll help you. Here you are. My paws are missing here.
Maximum coziness.
Much better.
Well done. Up next, fun and games.
Impress me.
Easy.
You jump.
How about this?
I don't really like it.
Oops, I went a little overboard. Now this'll cheer you up. Enjoy!
Whoa.
Do you really like it?
Nah, I'm bored. What's interesting here? Nothing.
You will not please. Ouch! What is he doing? Hey!
Entertaining myself, obviously.
I don't know what else to come up with.
How can I help you?
I have an idea!
What is it?
We'll get a pro to help us.
This doesn't belong here. Stop right there. Come get me.
What? No. Daisy, what have you done?
Betty, what's the fuss all about?
That used to be my favorite picture.
Check out the mess your puppy made.
The dog is to blame for it all. She started it.
You and Betty crossed the line this time around.
You're not welcome here anymore. I'll get to the bottom of this mess. Gotta fence off the crime scene.
This is going to be so much fun.
Uh-huh, here's a lead. Clue, you can't get away from me. Aha, the clues took me to you. I knew it.
Good for you, detective.
Seems like someone was leading you by the nose.
What? Whoa, that's pretty. Betty, did you pull this off? Looks insane.
Thanks, I helped you. No, baby.
You're so cool.
Oh, wow. So sweet, it makes me sick.
Did you say sweet?
Well, I suggest we perk up before cleaning.
Yeah, sure.
Daisy!
I'm safe.
That leads me to think of something. There! The vibe just got way cozier.
As if I don't have to clean it up.
Gosh, they're annoying.
Do I get credit, Ben? You're thinking of your headphones, aren't you?
Spot on. Why not? Wow!
Pretty good. Something is still off, though.
This is it.
If there's a will, there's a way.
Oh! and soft, the most perfect bed for Daisy.
Never seen anything this good before. Thanks a bunch, Noah.
Why so quiet? You're not at each other's throats for some reason. Oh, Dav, come see me and Daisy.
Don't listen to her. I've got something cooler.
Okay, you guys, comment down below what happened. It's either me or Lucas. Make your pick.
She's picking me, obviously.
What do you guys prefer? Rock or candy? Oh, you guys, I gotta rush. I'll be back to see if you made good.
Welcome, amazing Lucas! Ooh, I'm gonna play along.
Now, some crowd surfing.
Are you good? Should I call up the vet?
I'm fine. I gotta get retired. That's it. All right, it turned out pretty well. But no more concerts.
Whoa, now it's awesome! Could you please share?
Aw, I only have one. Let's settle it fair and square. Rock, paper, scissors.
Fine by me.
Paper wraps around a paw. I won.
A tiny little piece.
I'll budge. You deserve the best cookies. Shoo. You have no idea how hard it is. Oh. Now you've got the nicest cookie mat.
Jeez! That clearly one-ups any food.
Oh, Daisy, you're the sweetest pie. What's he doing?
I should record an album at this point. Kitty cat, the cat of my dream. She has a thing for sour cream.
Oh, really? I was better off without your yelling.
Oh, that's not a part of the plan.
A song? I wish you made a toy instead of torturing my ears.
A toy? Awesome. I can do something cool just for you.
Okay, we'll see if you're up for the job.
There. Now you're good to catch mediators like a true rock star.
Not bad. Is that a toy? For me?
Yeah, you're getting the best donut ever. Patience, baby. Coming right up.
Donut! It's mine now! Don't ask for it back!
Hey, do not trespass.
Keep it down. The donut is sugar-free.
Oh, I'd love a snack too.
Same here! Why is it taking you so long to think? I'm starving over here!
Hey, I'm working. Patience, star. I know. You're gonna get your cool bowl. You'll be eating straight from a voice wave. Hard rock, baby.
Sounds cool. Where's the food, though?
I mean, a moment.
Are we gonna eat?
A pretzel. Perfect. That's a vibe. Daisy, check this out. That'll step up your food game.
You're the best. Where's my food?
Give me a second.
I mean, that's a solid stash.
Hungry, right?
Not really.